everyone, welcome back. So now it is time for part 2 of my shopping haul from the makeup show that I went to. And this one isn't technically a shopping haul because I didn't actually purchase these items. What I did was I went to the Artist United workshop, which was a 4-hour workshop, 2 hours with Danessa Myricks and 2 hours with Rokael. And they gave us a gift bag as part of that 4-hour workshop that was going to be filled with goodies. So this is a haul of my goodie bag, if you will. So let me first show you that the bag everything came in because it's super cute. It's this reflective holographic, dual chrome, multi-chrome, whatever you want to call it. It turns different colors in the light. It's a clear-ish, it's a transparent bag since it's got color, but not clear. Straps, and it says Beauty Without Boundaries. Danessa Myricks Beauty. And that's what all the stuff came in. Okay, so now let's get into what actually came in the bag. I have everything set here and organized, so it's not too chaotic, but bear with me. And most of these items are going into my pro kit. I'm going to keep just a few of them for myself, but let's get started, shall we? So I've got first this pair of lashes from Rokael Beauty. Very nice and natural, but also very long, so you get the best of both worlds. I also have 2 bottles of Lumify eye drops, which are redness reliever eye drops, if you're not familiar with them. Those will definitely not be going into my makeup artist kit because reusing eye drops from client to client is not sanitary. Moving on, I've got 2 products here from Good Molecules. I have their hyaluronic acid serum and their yerba mate Wake Up Eye Gel. 2 products that go great underneath makeup. Now, next I have some products from Alcone Company, and this is one of their brands, Lime Life. I've got the Lime Life by Alcone Make Off Makeup Remover. This is a spray. Let's see what this looks like. Nice little bottle, good for travel, which means good for my kit. Maybe to help clients if they need to take any makeup off because they didn't listen to my instructions and showed up with makeup. We also have 2 eyeliner pencils. We have one in black and one in brown. These are their Enduring Eyeliner Pencil Crayons. We have the Making Waves Waterproof Mascara. Super awesome because I always use waterproof mascara. I live in Florida. It's hot. It's humid. We don't need things transferring. However, if you have oily lids, waterproof mascara will still transfer. However, there are ways to mitigate that. Now we have another pair of lashes here from Alcone Company. Also very nice and natural. Shorter than the Rokael Beauty ones. Actually, let me hold them up side by side so that you can take a look. Next, we have some products from My Kitco. We've got this PVC pod from My Kitco that you can fit brushes, pencils, whatever sort of thing you might need can go right in here. We have a velour makeup puff. This one I'll probably keep for Jessa. I've got 2 brushes from My Kitco. I have My Blending Concealer and I have My Tight Brow. The My Blending Concealer is brush number 0.28. And then the My Tight Brow is brush number 2.4. Both of these are synthetic brushes. Now let's get into the stuff that Danessa Myricks put in the bag. Not her personally, although she might have, I don't know. First, we are going to start with Vision Cream Cover. So this is a foundation line from Danessa Myricks Beauty, the Vision Cream Cover. It's extremely full coverage. There's no water in it, so it's not diluted. It's very pigmented. You can cover your whole face with a very small amount, but instead of putting shades of the foundation, they're trying to guess what shades people might use, etc. What she did, or what the company did, which I think was brilliant, was put all of the correctors in there. So we've got the 6 corrector Vision Cream Cover shades, which are, let's bring these here. So we've got TW, which is white, TY01 and TY02, which are yellow. We've got TP01 and TP02, which are peach. And then we've got TO01, which is olive. So, I know, an actual olive corrector. So let me line them all up and I'll let you look at the boxes. I have not unwrapped them yet because I am not sure how I am going to put them in my kit. And once you take something out of the packaging and open it, the expiration date starts counting down, especially when it comes to cream and liquid products. And I want to get as much time out of these as possible because these products are not cheap. So I'm not going to open them at this moment in time. Sorry, but you're not getting swatches. If that's what you were hoping for, that is not this video. This is me showing you all the things that came in my gift bag so that you know if you go to the makeup show and you go to one of the Artists United workshops, what kind of stuff you can expect and how worth it is. Now, moving on, we also have the line of Power Bronzers. These come in 3 shades, and all 3 shades are put in there. We've got light, medium, and deep. You can see a theme here that they really thought out what kind of products makeup artists would want and need in their kit. There's brushes, there's cases, there's skin prep, there's makeup tools, there's eyelashes, we've got foundation adjusters, which is super important so that we can make sure everyone's got the correct shade. We've got a full range of bronzers, which you can mix and match the shades in between. We've also got a couple of eyeliners. We've got 2 from Danessa Myricks Beauty. I own both of these in my personal collection, so this is probably the only thing you'll actually get a swatch of. Opal and Morganite, these are the Infinite Chrome Micro Pencils. Once I do start putting things into my pro kit, I will start producing videos with swatches. That I will promise you. Moving on, we've got 2 shades of the Prism FX Hydrating Face Lotion. We have Peach and Golden. We have 3 ColorFix, and you know I love ColorFix. We've got 2 mattes and 1 glaze. The mattes are Desert Rose and Creme Brulee, and then the glaze is Kaleidoscope. Now, I know that Kaleidoscope is going to be a clear gel with some holographic glitter in it, not because I own it, just because I have been looking at it. This is something that I've been actually really wanting to try. This is the waterproof cushion color. So this is an eyeliner in a cushion form that you dip your brush in, and then the liquid eyeliner goes on the brush, versus the liquid eyeliner we're used to, where you dip the wand into a little tube, swirl it around. So if you have disposable eyeliner wands, this would be a product that would be useful in your kit. I have disposable eyeliner wands. Now, last 2 things, I've got the Dew Wet Balm in the shade Holy Water, which is like a clear balm with like a lilac, silvery pink, like kind of shift. At least that's what it looks like from the packaging and from the website description. And then last but not least, we have some of the By Pride Infinite Chrome Flakes. Sorry, had a brain moment. This particular shade, I'm certain that I actually have. Okay, here it is, by Pride. These are very small and I don't want to waste it, so I'm just going to let you get a peek of the inside. Before it starts to fall out. I have to say, I am absolutely floored by this gift bag that came with the workshop. I was not expecting this amount of product. I was not expecting this quality of product. I was not expecting so much thought and effort to have been put into the selection. I'm absolutely floored. I feel like they really took the time to consider what makeup artists are going to use, what they're going to need, what could be missing in their kit, what could be upgraded in their kit, things that they can rotate through if it's expiring, things that they can mix together. Like, seriously, this is probably one of the most thoughtful things I've ever seen a convention put together. This is absolutely incredible, and the value is beyond imaginable. I mean, I was floored that I was getting a 2-hour workshop with Danessa and a 2-hour workshop with Raquel, Beyonce's makeup artist, 4 hours of education, and I think that was $209 for the 4-hour workshop, plus this gift bag. And this gift bag is like, it's more than triple the amount of the workshop. Okay, so when I opened up that gift bag, I was beside myself. You would have thought I was a kid in a candy store. I mean, just absolutely floored. So I highly recommend taking the Artists United workshop, because the value of the education that you get during the workshop is exceptional, and then the value of the products that you also get that they promise you is also incredible. So if it's something you can afford in the moment, you are definitely getting more than what you're paying for, as long as you can afford to put up that money, to go to the event and whatnot. But I'm really looking forward to doing some major kit upgrades with these products, because just about everything here is going to go into my kit, with the exception of maybe like the My Kit Co brushes, those Lumify eye drops, like the little puff, maybe the Raquel lashes I'll keep for myself. But almost everything is going to be going into my kit, because I want to make sure that my clients get the absolute best that I can provide for them. And I think Danessa Myricks Beauty is one of the best brands, and there's so much of her stuff in here. They are definitely getting it. So that is it. I hope you all enjoyed this. If you would like to see more videos like this, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And if you have any questions, comments, leave them down below. I hope you all have a wonderful day, a wonderful week, and don't forget to take care of yourself. Bye-bye now.